Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Syntax LK, your trusted source for all things tech and learning. In our previous videos, we explored fascinating topics such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. Today, we are venturing into the dynamic field of robotics. So, get ready to witness the fusion of technology and innovation as we embark on this robotic adventure together. Number 1. Introduction to robotics. Robotics is the field that brings together engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence to design and develop intelligent machines. In this segment, we'll introduce you to the captivating world of robotics and its transformative impact on various industries. 1. Discuss the fundamental concepts and components of robotics, including sensors, actuators, and control systems. 2. Explore the diverse applications of robotics in fields such as manufacturing, healthcare, and exploration. 3. Showcase real-world examples of robots that have revolutionized industries and daily life. Number 2. Robot perception and sensing. Perception and sensing are crucial aspects of robotics, enabling robots to interact with their environment. In this segment, we'll delve into the fascinating world of robot perception and sensing technologies. 1. Explain the different types of sensors used in robotics, such as cameras, LIDAR, and tactile sensors. 2. Discuss perception algorithms that enable robots to perceive and interpret their surroundings. 3. Showcase practical examples of robot perception and sensing using popular technologies like ROS, Robot Operating System. Number 3. Robot control and navigation. Control and navigation are key components that allow robots to move and interact autonomously. In this segment, we'll explore the techniques and algorithms behind robot control and navigation. 1. Explain control systems used in robotics, such as PID, proportional integral derivative, controllers and feedback loops. 2. Discuss navigation algorithms like simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, and path planning techniques. 3. Showcase practical examples of robot control and navigation using simulation or real-world scenarios. Number 4. Robot manipulation and interaction. Robot manipulation and interaction involve the ability of robots to manipulate objects and interact with humans or their environment. In this segment, we'll dive into the exciting world of robot manipulation and interaction. 1. Explore robot manipulators, including robotic arms and grippers, and their control mechanisms. 2. Discuss human-robot interaction and collaborative robotics, cobots. 3. Showcase practical examples of robot manipulation and interaction using robotic arms and interactive interfaces. Number 5. Robotics and the future. As we look ahead, robotics continues to shape the future with innovative advancements. In this final segment, we'll explore the future of robotics and its potential impact on society. 1. Discuss emerging trends in robotics, such as swarm robotics, soft robotics, and autonomous drones. 2. Explore the ethical considerations and societal implications of advanced robotics. 3. Present thought-provoking discussions on the role of robotics in solving global challenges and transforming industries. Congratulations! You've now embarked on a journey through the captivating world of robotics. Remember, robotics is at the forefront of technological innovation, and it holds immense potential for the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Syntax LK for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep embracing the wonders of robotics.